Hi guys, today is Armistice Day, and because of that I want to reintroduce you to For Kaiser and Reich. It's the story of Hugo, a young German man who is drafted into the German army. And it is unfortunately 1914, so instead of just getting his draft over and done with, he finds himself as part of the invading army that attacks Belgium and then France. Hugo starts off as so many young men, innocent. He is an infantry soldier, gets bloodied. He soon becomes a medic by accident and finds really his calling in that. So I've put a lot of my heart in there and researched how my forebears in the First World War actually did medicine in the battlefield, in the trenches and then down in the casualty clearing stations. So Hugo becomes dead, but unfortunately life does not work like that. You don't just find your calling then forever stay there. No, things go pear-shaped for him. He moves on, or has to move on, shall I say, to become one of the first special forces in the German army and worldwide, the Sturmtruppen. And yeah, the whole book is an interesting look into the start of First World War. Every single page, every single place where the adventures are placed is true. Every date is true to the day. So what you read there could very much have happened, and probably all aspects of the book have happened. It's just that I've put it all together into one story instead of the hundreds of stories that make really the core of this book. So if you wanted to learn a bit more about the First World War, For Kaiser and Reich is a beautiful book that I had a great fun of researching and writing, and hopefully you enjoy it just as much as I did writing. Look after yourself.